little friends. Welcome to Be With Kids, where we learn and have fun together. Today, we're going on a fruity adventure. Can you guess what we'll learn about? That's right. Fruits. Let's go. Look. It's a shiny red apple. Apples can be red, green, or yellow and are super crunchy and juicy. Munch munch, so yummy. Do you like apples? Wow! What do we have here? It's a banana. Bananas are long, yellow, and soft inside. They give us lots of energy. Monkeys love bananas. Let's peel and eat one. Yum! Here comes a sweet and juicy mango. Mangoes can be yellow, orange, or green and taste so delicious. People call them the king of fruits. Have you ever tried mango juice? It's the best. Oh wow, it's an orange. Oranges are round and full of juice. They give us vitamin C, which helps us stay strong and healthy. Let's squeeze it into orange juice, so refreshing. Ah, look at this tiny red strawberry. It's small, sweet, and covered in little seeds. Strawberries are used in cakes, milkshakes, and even ice cream. Who loves strawberries? Here comes a pineapple. It has a spiky green top and a sweet, golden inside. Pineapples grow in warm places and are used to make juice and yummy desserts. Try some, it's delicious. Look! A bunch of grapes. Grapes can be purple, red, or green and grow in big bunches on vines. You can eat them fresh or dry them to make raisins. Have you tried grapes before? Wow! That was so much fun! Let's say all the fruit names together: apple, banana, mango, orange, strawberry, pineapple, and grapes. Which fruit is your favorite? Tell us in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more fun learning videos. See you next time!